Hi friends, welcome to my channel. My name is Ashwani Kumar, an academy educator for the subject NTA UGC NET Electronic Science as well as the General Paper 1. If you are not yet subscribed the channel, then please do subscribe and then click on the bell icon. Then you are going to get all my updates and videos as the immediate notifications to your devices. And now while coming to the present content of the video, here these are the jobs under the state government, that is Government of Telangana. From the state social welfare residential educational institutions and societies. So it is a wonderful opportunity, guys. The candidates who are having the eligibility for this jobs, so please try to apply because you will be working under the state government. And here the guest faculty positions are announced in this social welfare residential educational institutions, and the starting date is 9th October and closing date is 18th October 2020. So if you want to check the details and all, click on this one. Anyhow, I will provide this link in the description box of this video, guys, so you need not to set separately. And the place is Hyderabad. Instruction to the candidates applying for the guest faculty positions in TWS residential degree colleges for women. And here applications are invited from the eligible women candidates for utilizing their services as guest faculty members in the subjects of Telugu, English, History, Economics, Political Science, Mathematics, Physics, Chemistry, Statistics, Computer Science, Botany, Zoology, Microbiology, Commerce, Sociology, Psychology, Journalism, Geology, Public Administration, Biotechnology, Biochemistry, Genetics, Geography, Food Science, Nutrition and Dietetics in the TSW residential degree colleges for women. And the candidates belonging to Zone 5 and Zone 6 are alone eligible to apply. And the essential qualifications are master's degree with a minimum of 55% of marks and 50% in case of SC/ST candidates, and the additional qualifications like PhD, NET or SLET or MPhil will be preferred. Even though if you are not having these qualifications, then it is fine, guys. If you are having the master's degree in the above mentioned subjects, then you can apply. It is a wonderful opportunity, and the interested candidates have to apply online through this website, and with the amount of 500 rupees will be collected from each candidate through the online towards application fee. And the last date for submission of application form is 18th October 2020, and the selection process will be based upon the written test and demonstration and interview. Here for the written test 75 marks and demonstration 15 marks and interview 10 marks are given, and the question paper model are also given here. So you please once check down. The grand total is 100 marks. So the written test will be conducted on the 31st October 2020 Saturday from afternoon 2 p.m. to 4:30 p.m. in the Telangana Social Welfare Residential Degree Colleges for Women across the state. Fine. So these are the details regarding this advertisement, guys. So other states also can able to apply. So for that one, please check the details once again. Based upon the statewide reservations, there will be some consideration will be there for the other state candidates. So please share this information to your friends or colleagues who are looking for such type of opportunities in these respective departments. And for more opportunities, please subscribe the channel and then tap the bell icon. And the candidates who are preparing for the UGC NET exam, here one announcement follows. So please listen, guys. Hi guys, my name is Ashwani Kumar and welcome to my channel. This video is especially for the candidates UGC NET Electronic Science. So the people who are going to write the exam in this 5th November 2020, here the Unacademy is providing the crash course that is titled as Crash Course on Electronic Science through Multiple Choice Questions. This course is going to start from October 1st onwards, and by this month end, the course is going to be finished. And by the starting of the November month, you will be ready with the class PDFs, and all the 10 units will be explained in brief. That means the important concepts, formulas, points, definitions, expressions, all these things we are going to discuss in this crash course, which will be very much helpful to you to crack the JRF in this 2020, guys. Okay, so apart from this one, the Unacademy is also providing the full course or else a complete course for the electronic science who are planning to write the exam in the upcoming months or the upcoming years. So here the different subscription plans are there. That is 1 month, 3 months, 6 months, 12 months and 24 months. So out of all these months, if you want to take the crash course, then you may prefer this 1 month, or else if you are planning to write the exam in the upcoming months, you may take the 3 months, 6 months, 12 months or the 24 months. But if you are planning to take the subscription plans, then use my referral code, that is Ashwani K. then you will get the 10% discount on any one of the subscription plan. Okay, so apart from these plans here, before going to take all these things, first of all, refer to my Unacademy profile link. Okay, so in my profile link, that I will provide this link in the description box of this video. So if you once enter into my profile link, then you may check down. That means here the special classes are available. Special classes are the free to everybody. Okay, so just click on the see all. Then whatever the special classes I took, that means the free classes I took, that all these classes you can access, guys. Okay, so career opportunity with UGC or non-UGC net electronic science, and regarding the previous year questions, here the 2017, 2018, July and December 2018, and the June and December 2019, all these questions are discussed here, and these classes are completely free. Okay, so first check the way of explanation whether you are understanding here or not, and then you prefer the subscription plans, guys. Okay, so it is the update that I want to provide to the candidates belongs to the UGC net electronic science. And for more updates, please subscribe the channel, and after subscribing tap the bell icon, and please share this information to your friends or colleagues who are going to give the exam for the UGC net electronic science. Thank you, guys.